Friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about one stock that's quietly building strength, Dalmia Bharat Ltd, Dal Bharat. While most cement names have been consolidating, this one is showing a very clean structural breakout pattern, and the chart action is hinting at a potential upside rally in the coming weeks. If you look closely at the daily chart, Dalmia Bharat made a strong breakout above 1950 rupees to 2000 rupees zone, which earlier acted as a multi-month resistance between November 2024 to April 2025. After that breakout, the stock rallied sharply all the way to 2550 rupees and is now witnessing a healthy retracement. The correction has been very controlled, volumes are drying up on the downside, which means no panic selling, just profit booking. Now the stock is currently trading near 2250 rupee levels, and that's exactly where multiple supports are converging. You can see the blue demand zone between 2200 rupees and 2150 rupees, and the 20-day EMA is also flattening out near the same area. This setup is a textbook example of retest after breakout. The key observation here is buyers are still defending every dip near 2200 rupees. You can also notice that the recent red candles have long lower shadows, that means buying interest is active at lower levels. Below 2150 rupees, the next major support lies around 2050 rupees to 2000 rupees, but unless there's a sudden market shock, the stock is unlikely to break that zone. On the upside, the first resistance comes at 2350 rupees, and once we close above 2400 rupees, momentum buyers will jump back in. From an indicator point of view, the short term moving averages are still above medium term ones, which means the primary trend remains bullish. Also, the volume profile is supporting this move. The breakout above 2000 rupees happened with a strong expansion in volume, confirming institutional participation. Even RSI has cooled off from the overbought zone and now sits around 45 to 50, which is the perfect region for a fresh swing rally to begin. So, what's the roadmap ahead? If Dalmia Bharat sustains above 2250 rupees to 2280 rupees, you can expect a short-term move towards 2400 rupees, and once that's taken out, the next swing targets will open up at 2550 rupees and eventually 2700 rupees. That's your positional target for the next 4 to 6 weeks. Stop loss for swing traders should be kept below 2140 rupees closing basis. In short, white heavy checkmark structure, bullish white heavy checkmark volume, supportive white heavy checkmark momentum, cooling and ready for next leg white heavy checkmark targets 2400 rupees, 2550 rupees, 2700 rupee. Dalmia Bharat is not in panic mode. It's simply recharging for the next leg of the rally. So, keep this stock on your radar because once it starts closing above 2400 rupees, you might see a fast rally just like it did in May June. If you found this analysis helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share which stock you want me to decode next.